Music, dance, arts, poetry, fashion, and a great atmosphere for social networking this weekend. What more could you ask for if you get all of these and more at one venue? Jojo Kobina visited Jamestown and was absolutely glad he did.
This is Jamestown. The Chale Wote Arts Festival is on. So many art exhibitions to see, and indeed a great venue for artists, art fanatics, and photographers. Poets also amplify their voices.
I say you stole my heart and water, I can't let you go. Her feelings made known in her actions. She dislikes my intrusion. Her utmost conclusion is sex is all I want and I'll be gone.
With so many activities happening here, perhaps the best description of the festival is a well-organized chaos. The festival provides an excellent atmosphere for creativity, fashion, and a place to be extra crazy. Any attire fits in perfectly here, including flip-flops, popularly called Chale Wote. After all, the festival has been named after it.
It's a beautiful environment. You meet people from different backgrounds. There's not only those who are crazy about art, but for the first timers as well, I think it's something they find very interesting as well. Especially of hairstyles, of people's dressing, you know. I mean, this is one of the few events that people can just have the opportunity to just dress artistically or, you know, anyhow. Somebody has braided the hair with a green thread. I mean, you can't do it on a normal day, you know. In Chale Wote, everything is okay.
The artistic environment invites the cameras, and many people take selfies to show they have been part of the program. Of course, there are many daring activities here. These activities hold many patrons spellbound. No wonder controversial musician One Love Kobolo is spending all his time here.
I've been here since morning and I'm not going till the last person leaves. Yeah.
So what is with your ECG?
I'm working for them part-time.
What do you do for them?
I turn off the lights. I get paid for that. 10 cedis per off. I wanted to wear a skirt made of Chale Wote, but I felt like there'll be children here and they'll be seeing things between the Chale Wotes too much, and I don't know. So I just, on the way coming, I just saw a woman selling foods, and I just bought some things from here, and that's why I wore here. So I'm wearing, I think this is 4 Ghana and this is 3 Ghana. My down is 3 Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So 7 Ghana.
Some are here to also make money as well, and they say the festival has not been disappointing at all.
Hello.
It's good, not so bad, but on average it's okay.
So average, how many people have been here and have actually purchased?
About 50 thereabouts.
It's going really well. I was here yesterday and I'm here today too. It's really good. I can't say what I've sold, but I've been able to sell quite an amount.
It looks like the Chale Wote Arts Festival has come to stay. From Jamestown, Jojo Kobina, Joy News.